sweet almond oil, argan oil, castor, coconut oil. Well, this is very odd. Finding so many different kinds of oils in one little bottle of oil. Coconut oil. Well, I'm curious, is coconut oil good for your beard? We're going to be answering that today. Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I'm the Apprentice, and today we're going to be answering the question, is coconut oil good for your beard?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Coconut oil. It's used for a variety of things, not just for facial hair and skin. It's also used for cooking. You can also use it when it comes to dietary health. It has a plethora of uses. So why would we think that it's good to put in your facial hair? Well, here's why. Moisturizing. One of the main benefits to coconut oil is that it helps moisturize the skin and the facial hair. Yes, the other oils can help with that, but coconut oil is one of the main factors. Because of the hydration, the itchiness and redness of your skin from drying out so much will be reduced. Dandruff can be a common problem when it comes to facial hair and head hair. Well, coconut oil is a very good product to use to help combat that. The oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help combat the dandruff and the dryness of your skin. Coconut oil can also help tame an unruly beard. If your beard is wild and so many flyaways, well, it might not be bomb, but coconut oil does have a nice light hold. So if you put a few drops in your hand and you use a comb or a brush, get that in there and then comb it down into place. Can't promise that it'll be the strongest hold, but it'll absolutely start the process. And lastly, and my most favorite, is that it has a good protective layering on your facial hair. Coconut oil has good properties to protect your facial hair and your skin from UV rays and just the unruly, wild nature that is around us. So if you're struggling with dry skin or you just feel as though you need something to hold your beard a little bit stronger, all of our oils have coconut oil in it. So put a few drops in, rub it in the morning, put it in even at night before you go to bed, let it rest for a few hours and you should be good to go. Adventurers, thank you so much for watching this video. If you thought it was helpful, please leave a like, comment down below your thoughts, and we will see you in the next one. May your beards be forever blessed, and fortune forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.